Our first understanding of fractions is to simply say that they're the result of division. So for example, we might say 5 divided by 4 is 5/4. But in a sense, that avoids the question. By saying 5 divided by 4 is 5/4, we haven't actually answered the question, unless we have a way to understand how much 5/4 really is. To understand how much 5/4 really is, we need to take another look at what we're actually doing when we do this division. If I want to take 5 divided by 4, the easiest way to do that is to cut each of my whole things into 4 equal parts. And then there are several ways I could do this, but one way would be to take 1 part of each of my things. So one way to understand what we're doing is to divide each unit into 4 equal parts, and then to take a part from each unit. What we've done here is to take 5 copies of the small square, which is 1/4 of the large square. And this gives rise to our second understanding of fractions. To understand how much 5/4 represents, we should first look at what 1 represents. That's our unit. Then we cut each unit into 4 equal parts and take 5 of those parts. We can do this on a number line, in fact. On a number line, 1 represents the distance between integers. So from 0 to 1 is 1 unit. From 1 to 2 is another unit. And so on. So if we are to divide each unit into 4 equal parts, that means we want to have, instead of 1 space going from 0 out to 1, we want to have 4 spaces. And to cut my unit into 4 pieces, I have to make 3 cuts. I'm going to make the one in the middle first to try to get them evenly spaced. So this distance here, from 0 out to my first tick mark, is 1/4. To draw 5/4, I count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces of that size. So this arrow represents the number 5/4.